So this shloka comes under Padara Vinda Shatakam. That is the stuti on Ambal's Padara Vindam. This is a very interesting shloka because here Acharya, the Mukha Shankaracharya, gives a contradictory statement and he says, even though your Padam has got this opposite quality, it is able to give exactly the opposite phalam to the devotees. Api means even though. Nilopi ragamadhikam janayan purare. Hey Ambal, your eyes are so black. Normally eyes are compared to black. Eyes have got this black quality, right? We put kajal, Ambal puts kajal and things like that. So your eyes are very black. Normally eyes are compared to vand, which is very black in color. Nilopi ragamadhikam chanayan purarehe. It creates an attachment for Parameshwara, it seems. So there are three gunas, right? There is a sattva guna, there is a rajo guna, and tamo guna. So each guna has got a color. Sattva guna is pure white in color. Rajo guna is red in color. And tamo guna is black in color. This is the Shastric convention of telling the gunas. Sattva is white in color. Rajo guna is red in color. Tamo guna is black in color. So black means tamo guna. What are the qualities of tamoguna? When a person has got a lot of tamoguna, he will not do anything, right? Sleep, avidya, ignorance, sleep. These are the qualities of tamoguna. But what happens here? Even though the eyes have got black color in them, instead of inciting tamoguna in Parameshwara, Parameshwara gets attracted by it, and Parvati Parameshwara creates the entire universe. Parameshwara by himself cannot create anything. Shivashaktya yuktaha yadi bhavati shaktah prabhavitum nachedevam devaha nakhalu kushala spanditumapi atastvamaraadyam harihara virincha dibirapi pranantum stotum va khatamakrita punyah prabhavati, says Adi Shankaracharya. Parameshwara without Shakti cannot even move a blade of grass, says Acharya, Adi Shankaracharya in his Saundarya Lahari. So Parameshwara, he gets attracted in the black quality of the eye, in the blackness of the eye. Even though black is the color of tamoguna, it creates a ragam in Parameshwara, and it urges Parameshwara to create this entire universe. So there is a contradiction. Black tamoguna, but it makes Parameshwara to act, which is rajoguna. So Nilopi Ragamadhikam Chanayan Purarehe. Lolopi Bhakti Madhikam Dridhayan Lolaha means moving. Lolaha means moving here and there. That is called as Lolaha. What here Acharya says, even though your eyes are Lolaha, your eyes are moving here and there, but what happens? Among the devotees, Naranam, Bhaktim Dridhayan Adhikam, it creates a Dridha Bhakti, Achanchala Bhakti. Your eyes are Chanchalaha, your eyes are moving here and there. That is why Ambal is called as Meenakshi, Mrigakshi, etc. Because the fish will be moving here and there. Ambal is basically looking for the devotees problems, so that she can prevent the problems. That is why Ambal's eyes are moving here and there so fast. But what does those eyes create? The eyes create Dridha Bhakti, Avyabhicharini Bhakti in Bhagavad Gita terms, among her bhaktas. Lolopi Bhakti Madhikam Dridhayan Naranam. And says, Vakropi Devi Namatam Samatam Vitandan. even though your eyes are vakraha, even though your eyes, normally eyes is not samaha, right? Eyes won't be same. You have up and low. When we see the shape of the eyes, it is going to be up and low. And also, vakraha has got another meaning. It means it is different from its nature. Normally, all of us have got only two eyes, right? But Ambal is Trinetri, Mukkanniyai Toluvor Kuru Tingumillaye. So Ambal, since she has got three eyes, it is called as a Vakra. Vakra means இயல்பிலிருந்து மாறி இருப்பது. A change from its natural state is called as Vakra. Our normally our nature is to have two eyes, but Ambal has got three eyes. That is why Vakropi Devi Namatam Samatam Vitanvan. It creates, even though it is not Sama, it creates a Samatvam on her devotees. Samatvam Yoga Uchyate, says Bhagavad Gita. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Shunichaiva Swapakecha Panditaha Samadarishinaha. The Atma Jnanis will see everything as equal. What things are equal? Brahmane Gavi Hastini. A learned Brahmana, an elephant, a cow, Shunichaiva Swapakecha, a dog, and the person who eats the dog. Everything normally, Loka Drishti, there is a gradation. These are all animals, these are all humans, there is a gradation, but the Panditaha and Atma Jnani, because of his Jnanam, he will see everything same. He will see Samatvam Yoga Uchyate. Even in another chapter of Bhagavad Gita, in Bhakti Yoga, Krishna says, who is the real Bhakta? Krishna says, Shamashatraucha Mitrecha Tathamanapamanayoho Shitoshna Sukhadukeshu Samasanga Vivarjitaha Tulyaninda Stutirmoni Santushto Yena Kenachit Aniketa Sthiramatihi Bhaktiman Me Priyonaraha. These are the people, they are Bhaktiman, says Krishna. He does not say they are Bhaktiman. He does not stop with saying they are Bhaktiman. He says, Me Priyonaraha. These people are so near and dear to me, Arjuna, says Krishna. Who are the people? Shamashatraucha Mitrecha. That person who sees Mitra and Shatru, friend and foe, as equal thing. Shamashatraucha Mitrecha Tatha Manapamanayoho. Praise and Ninda. Praise and Ninda. Those two things, the person who sees the both of them as equal, who has got the same weightage for praise or for Ninda. Shitoshna Shukhadukeshu, the one who sees both Sukham and Dukkham as the same thing. Tulyaninda Stutirmoni. These people are my real bhaktas, and these people are very dear and near to me, says Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. Ambal's eyes are apparently capable of giving that samatvam among all of us. Means what? Only Atma Jnani can be like that. Ambal's eyes can give all of us Atma Jnanam Nayana Diksha. And that Kamakshi Nrityatumayi Twadapanga Pataha. That eyes, let that fall onto me, says Mukha Shankaracharya in this beautiful shloka. Sorry, I think I mistold that this is Padara Vinda Shatakam. This should be Kataksha Shatakam. So this is Kataksha Shatakam. With this, we will finish today's class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.